Hi all, ich heiße Sajin. I am Sajin. Ich bin euer Deutschlehrer. I am your German teacher. Ich komme ursprünglich aus Indien. I come originally from India. Vor einigen Jahren habe ich genau wie du Deutsch lernen müssen. For 10 years, I had to learn German language to study and settle in Germany. So therefore, I know the exact feeling of a student who begin their studies and also who start to learn German language. So therefore, I humbly inform you that I will be with you during your language journey. I will be accompanying you with all my heart, and I will be putting my all efforts to teach you German. As you begin this new course, I wish you all the very best. And also, I wish all the success. Ich wünsche euch viel Erfolg beim Deutschlernen. See you soon.